Well, we've been getting lots of questions about the Llano River lately, what the fishing's going to be like after the floods. So we just decided to get out there and give it a shot. We were pleasantly surprised. Fishing was pretty good. Caught some nice fish. The river's beautiful. Water's crystal clear. It's a great float right now. So if you're thinking about getting out on the Llano, I would say now would be a good time.